Hello kids, today I'm going to teach you how to type a document in MSword. First let's open Word, click on the start button and type Word, W-O-R-D. If you have Word in your computer, it will show here, okay, with a blue color small icon, click on it. Once you click on that, you will come to a page like this. In that, click on blank document. Okay, so this is the place where we are going to type our document, children. Once you open it, you can see there is a blinking line, a vertical blinking line on your document at the top left corner. We call it as the cursor. Okay, this is the place where we begins to type. Okay, so just I'm typing something here. Now you can see we are typing with the cursor only. Okay. Next, let's see how to type few names of fruits. Okay, apple, PPLE. So I type my first name of fruit. That second name I want to type, the second fruit I want to type in the second line. For that, I'm pressing the enter key. Okay. Next, I type banana. Now you can see soon after I press the enter key, the first letter in apple, A letter, change to capital. Okay, so here also once you press the enter key, you can see the B letter will turn to capital. Okay, just like this. Mango, cherry. Okay, so like this, first of all, as a beginner, you can learn to type. Okay, you can get familiar with the letters on your keyboard. Next, let's see how to change the font size and style. Okay, I'm taking my mouse pointer to top of this level. Okay, it shows that is font size. Change the size of your text. Once you click on it, it will show a list of number. Choosing these numbers, you can change the size of your font, size of your text. Okay, now let me choose 48 and type and show you. Look. Okay, and also children, next to this number, you can see a big A letter and a small a letter. Big A letter is for increasing the font size. Once when I click on it, you can see the cursor is changing to bigger. Okay, just like this. And the small a next to that, decrease font size. By clicking on that, you can make your text a bit smaller. Okay, look. Okay, just like this. Okay, let me choose 20. Let me type apple and next again 28 mango and next 48 banana. Now can you see how we can type with different sizes of font? Okay. Now I'm going to erase all of these. How to erase? Use the backspace key. Okay. Next, let's see how to change the font. Different styles of letters. Okay, when you click on this calibrate, there is the tiny triangle head or an arrow head. When you click on it, it will show a list of font styles available in MSword. You can, when you scroll down, you can find lots of beautiful font styles here, children. So let me go up. And let me choose this Kristen ITC. Okay, and let's type now apple and another font style, Algerian, banana, and next another style, mango, and again another style, first empty, orange, and another style, watermelon. Okay, now after you type also, children, you can do the changes. You can do different changes to your text. You can apply different formattings to your text. How can we do that? That is by selecting the word. Okay, take your mouse pointer where you want to start selecting. Okay, now I want to select the word watermelon. So I'm going to select from the end of the watermelon. So click next to N letter, and now you can see the cursor is there. Click and drag your mouse up to W by clicking. Okay, now you can see the word watermelon is selected. It's like covered with an ash color shade. Okay, now you can choose the font size, and you can select a different font size, or else you can click the decrease font size, or else increase font size. Okay, one of that. Next, again, let me change size of mango. Select the word mango and click on this arrowhead and choose the font size you want. Okay, so this is how you can change the font size and font style. Okay, so please do practice in this also. Okay, now let me erase everything. Let's go to our next session, that is bold, italic and underline. Here B, I and U. Okay, with these children I'm going to teach you the bullet list as well. Okay, so B means bold. Make your text bold. You can see change your text into thicker, darker. Okay, I means italic. Italicize your text. It will slant your text to right side. And you all know what is this? Underline your text. Usually, most of the time, we are using this for the topic. And let's see what is this bullet. Okay, create a bulleted list. Have you seen when you are typing list of things, usually we put numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like that. If not, have you seen we just put little dots or stars or something beautiful bullets. Okay, so let's see how we can do that in Word. Okay, first let's type our topic fruits. Fruits. This is my topic. Now I want to give a beautiful font style to this and a size, bigger size, and I want to make it bold and underline. Okay, so let me select. Okay, and I select this and I choose Times New Roman and I make it bigger, 48. Or else let me give 72, the biggest size, and let's make it underline. Okay, that's enough. Next, let's press the enter key. Now children, remember to deselect the underline. If not, if you are going to type apple here, it will be typed in the same underline, same text and the same size. Remember to remove this by selecting this, by clicking on the same, and if you want you can choose a different font style, and remember to change the size too. Okay, next let's see how to add the bulleted list. Okay, take your mouse pointer to top of these three dots and three lines. Okay, then it will show that is called bullets. Create a bulleted list. Next to that, there is a tiny triangle. Click on it and it will show all the different types of bullets available in MS Word. Then select what you like here. Click on any you wish. Then let's start to type. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay. Next, I'm changing my font and changing the size also. Okay, next let me type mango and again press the enter key. Now you can see when I'm pressing the enter key, the automatically bullets are adding. Okay, you don't have to do it again and again. Okay, mango. Next I'm changing my font style and decreasing the font size and type watermelon. Okay, press the enter key. Now let's see how to apply this bold italic. Okay, let me choose a font style and let me type pineapple. Press the enter key. Now I just type it. Okay. Now let's see how to change it to bold. By selecting, I have told you, as I told, after type also you can do the different changes. Okay. Select pineapple and click on B. Now can you see it changed to bold? Okay. The text has changed to thicker or darker. Okay. Now when you press the enter key, children, okay, you can see this, the same bold is selected. Okay, it's selected with the ash color tiny square. So to remove that, click on it. Okay, and let's type next name of fruit, cherry. Okay, and now let me change it to italic. How can I do that? Okay, select the word cherry and click on I. Italicize your text. See the difference? When I click on it, the letters are slanting to right side. Okay. Press the enter key and go to next line. And let's type next orange. Okay. Next another fonts. Okay. For this, the last one, I'm gonna type grapes. Okay. For that, I need bold and the grapes in bold and italic both. For that, I'm clicking on V and I both. Grapes. Okay, and press the enter key. Now I want to finish it, so to remove the last bullet, just press the enter key once again. It will remove it. Now this is the list I have typed, and I have completed my documents. I have completed my bulleted list. Let's see how to save now. As usual, you can click on the save button. Okay, and you can go for more options. Okay, and it will come to browse. Okay, or else, let me go back. You can click on File and click on Save. Then you will come to a page like this. In this, click on Browse. Okay. Then you will come to Save As dialog box. From here, you can choose a location where you want to save. Either you want to save on desktop or downloads or some other place like documents or pictures. Okay. Now I'm going to choose desktop. Okay, and it has already suggested a name for me as fruits. Okay, so if you want, just click on save and save with the same name. If not, if you want to give different name, let's say MSword, MSword, okay, dash fruits. Okay, just give a meaningful name and click on save. Okay, so this is how you can type a document in MS Word and save.